Hello and welcome. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how my husband and I assemble a lift top coffee table that was sent to me by a company called YITAHOME. This video is sponsored by them and I want to thank them for sending out this coffee table to me. It couldn't have been more timely. Our Texas home is empty. We have no furniture other than the beds that we put in recently. So slowly but surely, we're trying to make this house a home, and this table is something that we really could use. I have a lift top coffee table in my Arizona home, and it gets a ton of use. So I knew that this was perfect for our home here in Texas as well. The first thing that we did was take everything out of the box because we wanted to see what it is we were working with. There are a lot of pieces. It can be a little intimidating, but the instructions are so well written that putting it together is a breeze. Here is an up close of what the wood grain looks like. I chose a grayish tone, which I'm really loving. This is made out of an eco-friendly particle board, which has excellent water and wear resistance. It is supported by a metal frame, which is extremely sturdy and can hold up to about 176 pounds. So no worries if your children climb up onto this table, they will be supported. This video will show you how to assemble this coffee table step by step, and be sure to stay tuned till the end because I will be sharing with you our new sofa set. As I mentioned, the assembly instructions are so well put together, and in 12 steps, you will have your table built. What is there to love about a lift top coffee table? Well, I do own one myself, and I can say that they are absolutely amazing. They have an extending top that functions as a comfortable work surface for you to write, work, or even eat from your couch without having to lean down and forward. So it makes it a lot more comfortable. It almost feels like you're eating at the dinner table. And I know my kids use this table all the time to eat on. It also saves a lot of space. I used to have to put little chairs around my table so that my kids could eat on it, and I don't have to do that anymore. So I was able to get rid of some of the clutter in my living room by having this type of table. It also has a large storage space underneath the tabletop, so you're able to put books in there, magazines, games, remotes, just anything that you might want to have handy. Could even use it to store your children's toys if that's something that you wanted to do. And this particular table has a ton of storage. We are now halfway through building our coffee table. There are 12 steps. We are on step 6, and it is coming together really nicely. I really love the combination of the black metal against the gray wood tone. It looks amazing. I feel like black is making its comeback into people's homes, so this is the perfect combination. We are now flipping it around, and it does require 2 people to do so. This coffee table is quite sturdy and it looks and feels of amazing quality. We are now able to open up the top, and you will see that there is a great amount of storage inside. You can put whatever you like into that storage space, and that's what I love about it most. It's such a functional piece of furniture. You can use it to eat on, you can use it to study, you can use it to work on. A lot of us work from home these days, and then there's storage inside for whatever it is you'd like to put inside of this table. YITAHOME did not disappoint me with this coffee table. The price is on point. I was over at Ashley Furniture over the weekend, and I saw tables similar to this that cost hundreds of dollars, and this is the exact same thing, and you can get it for a fraction of the cost. I'm going to go ahead and link their website down below. They have a huge selection of furniture. I was absolutely amazed. There's a couple of pieces on their website that caught my eye, so I definitely will be returning back to get those pieces. I like to furnish my homes on a budget, so this fits right in with my lifestyle. And I know that if you're somebody that's like me, it will fit in with yours too. I couldn't be more excited. The table is all put together. I'm just putting some rubber stoppers on the top of the table. This will even out my tabletop when everything is closed. The design is genius, let me tell you. So it's gorgeous. I just love it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like set up with our new sofas. We did get a set of sofas. Finally, it's been 6 months that we haven't had a set of sofas in this home, and I'm excited to share those sofas with you. This table looked fabulous with our new sofa set. This is what the living area looked like before. No sofas, but we did have a Christmas tree that we just purchased. And this is what the living room looks like now. We got a gray sectional. It is an oversized sectional, and that's what we wanted. We wanted something that was oversized, something that we can lounge on and watch TV on. We like to have movie nights, and this is going to fit in perfectly with what we wanted. The pillows, it did come with these decorative pillows, and I do like them, but I feel like I'm going to buy some type of pillow cover to make it more my style. But other than that, the sofas are nice, and it's been really nice to sit on them at the end of the day and just relax, wind down, and watch some TV. This set is from Big Lots. We did go to Ashley Furniture, but we didn't see anything that we liked. I've also heard that delivery times are horrendous at Ashley, and Big Lots had this one in stock. So it was a win-win. The price was good. We loved the set. It's perfect for what we wanted. And it works really well with my new coffee table. So thank you, YITAHOME, for sponsoring today's video. And I really hope that you all have an amazing week ahead, an amazing holiday with your families. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.